In the previous video, we finished creating and modifying parameters of the stair component. Today, we're going to create a block of dimension lines for the wall. I will proceed to delete and recreate. Naturally, as in the previous videos, we access a drawing file which contains the walls and link the others like this. You can use the Dimension Walls tool on the action bar, or right-click on a wall and select Dimension Walls. Then click this button to set the properties. This settings of dimension line look like what I've shown in a video in Allplan Engineering tutorial. We can also set the size of the text, dimension text, or extension lines. To be more specific, after you've set dimension lines, size of arrowhead and text parameters, the unit of text, the extension lines as desired. Move to the Dimension Block tab to select the styles of dimension block with the appropriate layer, including overall dimensions, outside dimensions, and room dimensions. Select the appropriate layer for each dimension group. You can set the dimension block style according to each drawing type. After setup, click OK. You continue to select all the relating walls to display wall dimension block as follows. Right-click to confirm. Then select a side of wall to determine the direction of these dimension lines. And we have a setting for the offset between the dimension lines. Then you will click to put the block in the desired position. You can easily edit these dimension lines by adding or deleting unnecessary dimension line points. It's the same for inner dimension line group. You can also adjust the dimension line point accordingly. The rest sides of the building is totally the same. After we conduct create dimension block for walls of the building, we will have a result like this. In the next lesson, we will begin creating the slabs for the ground floor.